All right, I'm all geared up, going to Long Beach for the Roland Sands Design Center grand opening. Should be cool.
From the darkness into the fire, I rose, I rose. From the concrete into the dragon, I drove, I drove.
So for those of you that aren't familiar with Roland Sands, he's an ex-motorcycle racing champion. I want to say 250 GP, turned bike builder and entrepreneur. Right, so he's built a number of custom motorcycles and been on some biker build-offs, and now he's got a line of apparel with boots and gloves and all that cool stuff. So this design center is, I don't know if it's going to be retail or if it's just design. I imagine it's going to be retail as well, but we are going to find out.
Ashes and dust never gonna return. Head to the sun, we're invincible. Hearts like stone, fire in our bones. If we were born kings, feeling this way, yeah, we were born kings in the top of the grave. 'Cause only God can judge this feeling in me. And we were born me, feeling this way,
Ton of cool bikes, custom builds. My seat is soaking wet. That is not awesome, but we'll make it work. The space they have out here is fantastic, and the gear is cool. If you haven't already, leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna ride up back home, freeze my tail off, then we'll get into the next ride. So while we're sitting here behind traffic, I found an incredible book. It's called Two Wheels South. I'll put a link in the description. Beautifully done. It's about these dudes that ride from like New York down to like way through South America, and I haven't read the whole thing yet, but I've looked through the whole thing, and the book it's a coffee table book that's well written and beautifully put together, incredible shots. If you need some moto inspiration in your life, like if it's the middle of winter where you're at or whatever, and you're jonesing to ride, this book might help you get a little bit of that fix, or at least help you stay connected to why you ride. Again, link in the description. And to that point, why do you ride? Right? Leave a link in the leave a comment in the leave a comment below. Words, you speak them. Hopefully you can be more articulate than I in this moment. But I love to hear why you ride. You know, I think for myself, it's a way for me to clear my head. It's super important for me and for my mental health, really, like to get out here and be completely present and connect with the moment. That's part of the reason why I continue to ride and will continue to ride. Yeah, it's a way to, you know, let your mind do its work in the background. But why do you ride? Definitely leave a comment. Now that's one hell of a view. Wow. It's like we're on top of the world over here. Ooh, alright, time to get us a little breakfast burrito. right, little breakfast burrito is always a good way to kick off the day. All right, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button, leave a like. I'll talk to you later.